Your phone and computer are probably cluttered with dozens of single-purpose apps you barely use, but a new wave of AI tools is making most of them obsolete by consolidating everyday tasks. Here are 4 specific AI tools that can put your daily busy work on autopilot. First up, Perplexity. It replaces traditional search engines by generating instant, direct answers. Because every answer is backed by real source links, you never have to dig through endless pages again. Next, NotebookLM. Instead of just searching the web, this tool lets you upload your own PDFs. It functions as a personalized research assistant that instantly explains difficult concepts hidden inside your longest documents. Third, Canva AI bypasses complex software to generate professional presentations and designs from simple text prompts. It creates finished assets in minutes, completely removing the steep learning curve required by traditional tools. Finally, N8N. Setting a trigger in one app to automatically cause an action in another is called workflow automation. It acts as a digital bridge between your favorite apps, handling repetitive daily data tasks so you don't have to. The single-purpose app era is over. A unified AI workflow lets you consolidate your digital life, doing significantly more work in less time.